How's everyone doing today? Today's video is going to be pretty short. Just wanted to make this video on the type of ammos or balls or whatever you want to call them I use. Before I get started, I do want to mention that when you're using these, just know what your state and local laws are. I just want to get that out of the way. I don't want anyone to get in trouble because I know in some states you probably can't have these. In others, you probably can't have the pepper balls. I don't have a pepper ball here, but I do have some pepper balls. Yeah, just know your state and local laws when using these or any type of less lethal launcher like the FSC, the TCP, the Mission, the TIPX. Just know your state and local laws. You don't want to get in trouble. Not only that, I have started a Rumble page. The link is going to be in the description below. If you want to show your support, hit the link in the description and it'll take you straight to my Rumble page, and subscribe to that channel as well. So let's get started. So these are the four types of ammunition that I'm using. This is a riot ball. This one right here is a riot ball. I get these two from riotballs.com. And then this is a breaker ball. This is a jewel round. These two come from grimberg.me. This is a jewel round, and this is a Grimberg HP68 round. Okay. Now, I don't have my FSC or my Blizzard here on the table, but I'm just going to use an average of 300 FPS. I'm using the Calc Airgun app, and this measures your FPS. Well, it doesn't measure, but you can put your FPS here, the weight of the projectile, and it'll give you the joules down here. Okay, so got my trusty little scale here. I have this here just for the ball, so the balls don't fall off. So again, this is the riot ball. This riot ball weighs 3.6 grams. I don't have the point here. I don't know why, but this weighs 3.6 grams, not 3 grams. This weighs 3.6 grams, right? Okay, that one's a little off, but it does weigh 3.6 grams. Okay, so if we use the average of 300, right, and we put here 3.6, and we calculate that. Whoops, got the wrong number there. 3.6, and you calculate that, that's 15 joules. Now, I don't know, I don't have the measurements right now, but that's okay. It's not great, it's okay. I don't really use this projectile here for less lethal use. I use this, as you can see, is real beat up. I use this only for target practice. That's it. I don't use this for anything else. So let's get this on out of the way. So here I have the breaker ball. This one also came from Riot Balls, but it's called the breaker ball. This is 4 grams. Sorry. This is a 4-gram ball. Some would say 3.6, I don't know, but my scale always measured it as 4 grams. Sorry. So 4 grams, right? So 4 grams, that gives you a total of 16 joules. All right, I'm going to put this on the side here with this one. Whoops. It's okay. I still probably wouldn't use it. While I do like the red breaker balls, I probably still won't use it as a self-defense ammo. these two are the ones that I would use as a self-defense ammo. And again, I'm only doing this video because a lot of people ask, hey, what ammo are you using, or what's the weight of this ball, what's the weight of that ball. So I just get it out of the way right now. Okay. So, sorry if you hear any background noise. I have my kids in the rooms over there. I'm in my kitchen, so if you hear anything, I do apologize. So this is the jewel round. This is a less lethal ammo ball. This is 7.8 or 8 grams. Okay, this one says it's 8 grams. So 8 grams. Okay. This one I use on my smoothbore barrels. So 8 grams at 300 FPS. Right? That's 33 joules. That is more than enough to stop someone, you know, to deter someone. That is more than enough power right there. That's 33 joules. Okay, and obviously the HP 6.8 round, I use this one for the rifled barrels. While I don't have one right now, I am ordering one very, very soon, probably in the matter of 2 days or 3 days, probably. I am going to be ordering a rifled barrel, probably the Labco rifled barrel. And this one is also 8 grams. Okay. So both of these right here would give you that amount of power. And I'm using 300 grams on it as an average, but my FSC gives around 315, 320, you know, because the last time I did a chronograph, I don't remember. There is a video that I did on it, but I quite don't remember how many FPS it was giving out. But I did adjust it a little bit more, so I did turn up the velocity a little tiny bit more. So I am gonna say it's probably shooting around 310, 315, maybe 320. I do have to chrono it again, so look out for that video. That video will be coming out soon, and I will be also chronoing the blizzards, rifle launchers. I will be chronoing those very, very soon. The snow is melting pretty fast, at a fast pace, so I will be getting those videos out very, very soon, probably this weekend maybe. I'm not entirely sure, but most likely it'll be this weekend. So that's my video for today. As I mentioned before, I do have a Rumble account now. So if you like these videos and you're subscribed to this channel, or if you're not subscribed, just subscribe to this channel and then go in the description box and click the link on the Rumble channel and support us over there as well. So that's the video for tonight. Have yourselves a good night.